Question 5, and it's a data set, and we've got 300 spins. We've got to find the mode, median, mean, arrange standard deviation, interquartile range, and draw a box and whiskers plot. I'll do the first two parts, A and B, and then you can finish off the box and whiskers plot. The box and whiskers, you just make sure you have a scale drawn out, and it kind of, it doesn't actually draw the box plot for you, but you have to draw on a proper scale from maybe 0 to 8 would be a good scale to have. So let's just get this data on our calculator here. So I'm actually going to go doc, insert a new problem, and put a spreadsheet here, because I've got lots of other documents open with spreadsheets, and I've used different letters to the variables. But if you insert a new problem, all these variables are kind of reset. So I'm going to have this as S for score, and this will be F for frequency. And the score is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the frequencies, let's get them in here, 20, 38, 56, 65, 56, 42, 23, and just in here, menu, data, I am going to, let's have a look, find the sum of the elements. So sum of F. Alright, I need to put this actually in a different value here. Oh, it won't let me do the sum. Okay, I'll work on that. There's a way of actually working out how to do the sum. Let's type in equals SUM, open bracket, and then just grab all these above it. There we go, equals sum. I just type in the sum actually. So it's just added the sum of the frequencies, and that was just to check to see I have actually typed in the right numbers, and there was 300 throws of the spinner. Okay, once we've done that, our work really is finished. Now think about what this is. I'm taking a record of one variable. The one variable is the total score. Okay, even though there's two columns, it's just one variable. We only ever kind of do two variable statistics if we're doing a scatter graph, where you're plotting one variable against a second variable, two variables. So in here, menu, statistic, stat calc, and it's one variable statistics. And the one variable I have is score, then the frequency list attached to it is F, and that is job finished. Two or more arguments must have matching dimensions. So this is interesting because look, I need to have each entry paired up with another number. Can you see the problem? When I put this number in here, just as a quick check, the calculator wants me to put a number here. So instead of doing that, I am just going to put delete. Okay, so I've just deleted that last entry. So now when I do the analysis, it should have everything matching up. Let's try again. Menu, statistics, stat calc, one variable stats. Okay, and this would be score, and this would be frequency, and okay, brilliant. So X bar is the mean. This is the mean of the data set. And so the mean score was 5.06. That's to 3 sig fig. This one here with the little circle, this is sigma. This is the standard deviation, 1.65. You'll notice there's another measure very close by here. We don't use this one. This actually estimates what the population standard deviation might be. Okay, so it imagines that the data you've put in comes from a bigger population, and this is just a sample. But what we always use is this particular figure here, 1.65 attached to that symbol. And then you've got 300 data items. And these numbers here you're going to use for your box plot. So minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and max. And you're going to take those figures and notch them off on the scale that you're going to put down and draw the box plot there. Okay, so it's just simple data entry and then choosing the right statistical process.